Struggling with silent treatment from your Windows 11 PC when it comes to your beloved headphones? Let's fix that in under 2 minutes. First things first, let's re-establish the connection. Unplug your headphones from the USB port or audio jack, wait a few seconds, and then firmly plug them back in. Make sure it's seated all the way if you're using a front panel audio jack. Try the one directly on your motherboard at the back of your PC. Next, we'll dive into Device Manager. Press the Windows key and type Device Manager, then select it from the search results. Expand the Audio Inputs and Outputs section. Do you see your headphones listed here? If they have a yellow exclamation mark or are missing entirely, this is where we'll address it. Right-click on your headphones if they're listed and select Update Driver, then choose Search Automatically for drivers. Windows will try to find and install the latest driver. If that doesn't work, try Scan for hardware changes after replugging your headphones. Now, let's check your sound settings. Right-click on the speaker icon in your taskbar, usually in the bottom right corner, and select Sound Settings under the Output section. Ensure your headphones are selected as the default playback device from the drop-down menu. If your headphones have a mute button, double-check that it's not accidentally activated either on the headphones themselves or through any accompanying software. Finally, let's run the built-in troubleshooter in the sound settings. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot Common Sound Problems, then select Playing Audio and click Run the troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen prompts. It can often identify and fix audio issues automatically. With these steps, your Windows 11 should be detecting your headphones again, letting you get back to your music, calls, and games. Thanks for watching.